Hi, welcome back to another mysterious taco truck video. I'm kinda sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but it's my YouTube channel. I do what I want. So today we are going to be drawing Beast Boy Cat. And I really like this character because I like the cartoon and Beast Boy is like my favorite one. So let's get into it. First, you want to start by drawing this little line right here, and then go down with this. And then you want to extend this line down to here and make 3 little circle things, or whiskers, whatever. Then you want to come around. No, not like that. You want to make a really, gently but subtly curved circle. Because his face is really big, and it's almost perfectly symmetrical, we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. That looks bad. So when you get up here, you want to kind of do the exact same thing. Put in this little subtle curve, and if you want it to look nice, then you can make the ears look like they're up front. Next, you kind of want to make these oval shapes. These are going to be his eyes. And this isn't permanent. We can change anything we want. Next, you're going to want to do the exact same thing. And then you're going to kind of do the generic dog nose with one curve, another curve, and another curve. Down. And then these, make sure they're perfectly curved. No. There. And then this is optional, but if you want to, you can add just this little tiny tooth. Next, for the body, we want to start by taking a giant curve down here, and then taking a little, really, no, it's not like that. Well, okay, we can work with this. And then it goes around like so, and then curves back right here, and you can do that. And that's gonna be the tail. And then, again with the curves, make sure this curve is barely noticeable, because this is going to lead to the legs, which the legs start right here, and they go kind of like down, curve right here, and then it goes up. There, that's one leg, and then tiny space right there, and then it goes down. Pretty much the same thing. That doesn't look too good. Redo it until it kind of looks like not messed up. Great description, Eli. And then you want to take a curve right here, and then right here a little other curve. And there, that's the basic drawing of Beast Boy. Now, I'll speed this up, but we're going to outline him with the Copic Multiliner Medium. Let's get started. There. Now that that's done, we can start to color it. So first we're gonna do the darken parts. And like the coloring part's probably the easiest part. It's about the right color. So first so I'm using the Ohuhu art marker number 42. So you're going to go down and then up. And you want to do the exact same thing with the other side. Just down and make a little curved part. And then fill it all in. Nice. So now that that's done, we can move on to the head. And this is what makes Beast Boy Cat iconic. You want to go down, and then down, and then down. And do like a little shape that looks a bit like that. Nah, it has a bit more of a spike on the side. And then right here, just do a couple little spots over here. Cool. And then to finish off the shade area, we're gonna make these nice little like stripes on his tail. There. Now that the stripes are done, we're done with the darker color. And we can move on to the more bright, peppy color. Now we're gonna take it slowly and kind of fill in every little spot, but try not to drag the darkness out of the black. because then you end up getting this weird shady mixture. And look out for my future Dragon Ball drawing tutorials. Those should be out soon. And yeah, I'll speed it up and let's zoom ahead. While I am doing this, I think uploading is kind of hard, and I'm sorry that I haven't gotten to doing it in the last 2 or so years. I'm kind of just like bad at commitments and stuff like that. There. So you might want to use a bit of a lighter color for this. Like, I used Ohuhu art marker number 48, but you may want to use F01 if you think this doesn't look good. But yeah, that's the end of the Beast Boy drawing tutorial. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.